I possess the ability to craft brilliant strategies, using my knowledge and insight to outthink and outmaneuver my challenges. I lead with charisma and inspire loyalty by setting an example of courage, sharing in the struggles and victories of those who follow me. I pursue my ambitions relentlessly, always driven by a clear vision of greatness and the desire to leave a lasting legacy. I adapt to every situation with flexibility, learning from my experiences and evolving to overcome new obstacles. I value cultural sensitivity and diplomacy, knowing that true success comes not just from conquering, but from uniting diverse people and respecting their traditions. I understand the power of loyalty and morale, and I know that maintaining the trust and dedication of my team is key to achieving victory. I embrace change and adapt my approach to the environment and circumstances around me, ensuring I stay effective no matter the challenge. I recognize that consolidation is as important as conquest, and I focus on stabilizing and managing what I've gained to ensure long-term success. I acknowledge the limits of overextension and balance my ambition with the resources and energy needed to sustain my progress. I understand the strength in cultural integration, and I use the power of unity and respect for diversity to build a stronger and more harmonious future.